Hi guys! So, nandito po kami sa outlet. Nandito kami sa Michael Kors. Window shopping. Window shopping lang kami.
Hi! Para makita niyo pogi. Yan.
I love. Yay! Hello guys. So bago tayo pumasok doon sa billion, kailangan mo na mag-temperature. O, diba? Ganun. May nangungulit. Spider-Man. So, ayun guys, samahan nyo ako. Magta-temperature muna tayo bago pumasok. Ayan, mag-temperature muna tayo guys. Ayan yung temperature nila. Peace! Ayan, temperature. 36.4. Okay, go. Ayan. So, ayun. Pasilip-silip lang po tayo ngayon dito sa aking window shopping sa Michael Kors. Window shopping lang, walang pera. Walang pera. Ayan, kasama ko po si Spider-Man ng buhay ko. Ayan. Ayan, uwi na lang kami guys. Ang hirap pag nandito. Mamimili ka na mamimili. Maubos ang pera mo. Wala na akong pera. No more money. O kaninay. Sumakit yung ulo namin. It really hurts.
Ang mapunta sa outlet is really hurt.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Guys, ito. Yan ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko, yung sasakyan. Mahilig ako sa shoes na may design talaga. Yan. Yan ang nakakuha ng attention ko. Ayan. Tapos, ito. Thank you for shopping, Michael Kors Yamaguchi. Served to you today. So, ayan. Michael Kors. %10 tax. Ayan. Ayan guys, so customer name. As usual po, tatakpan ko lang yung pangalan ko. Takpan ko lang yung pangalan ko po. Tsaka yung number ko. Ayan. So, para ma-safe, tinakpan ko lang po yung name ko tsaka yung customer number. Ayan. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.
I want to up here.
You want?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ganito,